Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Barbie Team Stacie for ages 3 and up. We found these at Target for $9.99 each. On the back of the box, you can see the dolls that are available. I don't see any names or descriptions on the box other than Stacie's. The picture on the background looks like a school setting. Well, let's get these girls out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, it is possible to balance them to stand on a flat surface. Oh, and I completely destroyed the box. But as I look at the picture more, it kind of reminds me of a community center or a place for the kids to hang out. The dolls stand at about 9 inches tall. They have the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. Both dolls come with an outfit, shoes, and accessories. Their face sculpts appear to be the same, just in different skin tones. Stacie wears her hair in a ponytail, wears a dress that looks like a striped t-shirt and two-tone jean skirt. The details are printed on to look like patches and stitching. The back is a solid red with no Velcro. And she wears a pair of hot pink sneakers. I love hot pink sneakers! We are so twinning right now. Stacie also comes with a book bag that can open, but you can't put much in there. Bananas that have a small loop so the dolls can hold it. And an orange drink that is compatible with Barbie's stay-in-place furniture and accessories, and it can also be held. Stacie's friend comes with brown hair that she wears in 2 pigtails. Her dress has black and white spots on the front and back. There is a printed pink glitter heart on her chest. She wears a black watch and black shoes. She comes with purple headphones that have an attached mic. She also has a teal laptop where she is playing a game and a white tablet with the same game. The tablet has a brace in the back to fit the doll's hand, so she can hold it. However, take care when removing the hand to prevent scratching. Now these are just Team Stacie single dolls. I have seen more of Stacie's friends circulating around the internet with playsets. I love the idea of getting to see Stacie and other dolls her size, because we have Club Chelsea and her friends, Skipper and Babysitters Inc., Barbie and the Fashionistas, and now Team Stacie. I do wish they had more articulation, especially with the new skin tones. But I am excited to see those playsets. Stacie is one of my favorite characters on Barbie Dreamhouse Adventures, so I am excited to see where this collection goes. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Team Stacie single dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.